So this vehicle is equipped with side scanner on the near side and off side. There's also a left turn passenger corner camera along with the lower door window and a reverse camera to the rear. The vehicle is also equipped with chassis side skirts and a full factory air kit to help with aerodynamics to improve the range. We've also taken into account that the truck meets 3-star direct vision standards. Features for the driver: the truck is equipped with a fridge on the rear wall. There's also a satellite navigational system, as well as a leather steering wheel, leather grab handles and bunk to the rear. This vehicle also comes with Volvo Connect services, so we can monitor exactly how the vehicle's performing, as well as how the driver is driving the vehicle to get the best performance out of these trucks. So the vehicle has also been equipped with ATL's unique livery for this vehicle, shouting about their sustainability goals and showing to the public that the vehicle is 100% electric. Within this zero-emission vehicle, it is equipped with 3 electrical motors equivalent to 666 horsepower and is complemented by a 12-speed I-shift transmission. It also has 6 traction batteries of a total of 540 kilowatt hours, enabling a range of up to 300 kilometres. These electric vehicles help us as Volvo and our clients strive towards a sustainable transport solution.